Hello, I'm going to show you how the Shellshock vulnerability works by exploiting a web server through the CGI-bin directory. As you can see, I have two VMs running. The one on the right is an Ubuntu server, which is where the web server was created, therefore will be the victim in this demonstration. The one on the left is the Linux Debian 8 system, where I'm going to perform the attack from. First thing you have to do is get the web server up and running, as you can see. So I'm going to show you that my web server, Apache web server, is up and running. It's running. So next thing you have to do is to write a CGI script in the -var-www-cgi directory, which I've already done here. As you can see, my CGI script is called test.cgi. which starts with the hash !bin-bash at the beginning, which is very important for this vulnerability and exploit to work. Now, as you can see in my Debian VM, my web server and CGI scripts are working. And to prove that it's from the Ubuntu server and not from this Debian 8 VM, I'm going to show you that the Ubuntu server is the same IP address as you can see in the Mozilla window. So if I do config, you can see that the internet address is 192.168.1.12, which is the same one as the one here. Now, the next step is to see if my bash terminal is vulnerable, thanks to this bash script. Which constitutes of one line where you can see echo vulnerable bash-c echo this is a test, which is basically we're setting up an environment called X. Now, if my system is vulnerable, we shall see vulnerable, and this is a test echoed out. If it isn't, we shall see an error message, and this is a test. So let's see. Now, as you can see, we have vulnerable, and this is a test, which illustrates well that my bash system is vulnerable to the Shellshock exploit. So now that we've proven that my system is vulnerable to that exploit, let's attack the web server. So what we have to do here is to execute this command. This one, which shall echo in a new file called test.cgi the content of /etc-password. As you can see, the file is downloading to that test.cgi, and now it's downloaded. Now let's open this file. As you can see, it's basically a data dump of every information available on that server. Now, if this was a real world server, we would have seen username and passwords printed out in this folder, in this file. As this is just a web server created by a newly installed Ubuntu server, there's not much information we can find on here. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.